Another way they might ask you about the coordinate plane is they might give you a coordinate plane that already has points plotted, and they might ask you which one is not represented. Okay, another thing they're gonna do is they're gonna give you these improper fractions. Okay, so remember, anytime you have an improper fraction, you need to cowboy and horse to make it a decimal. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna take and label my cowboy and horse, and I'm gonna divide. So 2 doesn't go into 1, but it goes into 10 5 times. And I zero out, I reached my decimal. So this actually is +5, 0. So I'm gonna go start at 0, 0, and I'm gonna walk to +5, and then the 0 tells me I do not go upstairs or downstairs. So this point right here should be point A. So that one is represented. And so we're looking for which one is not represented. All right, so answer choice B has another improper fraction. So first thing I have to do is label my cowboy and horse and divide. So I have -9 divided by 2. 2 goes into 9 4 times. Integer man tells me my answer is going to be negative. So 4 times 2 is 8, subtract. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So this decimal is actually going to be -4.5 and then 2. Okay? So now I'm going to start at 0, 0, and I'm going to walk to -4.5. So 4.5 is actually just a little bit more than 4, right? It's between 4 and 5. So I'm gonna walk 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a little bit more. So 4.5 is gonna be about there, in between the 4 and the 5. And then I go up to +2. So I walk 1, 2, and that leads me to this point here. This is point B. Again, this point is on the coordinate plane, so we're looking for which one is not. So C is probably going to be my right answer, but we should check it just to make sure we didn't make a silly mistake. So again, I have my improper fraction. So first thing I need to do, label and divide. Okay, so we have 12 divided by 6 is going to be 2. I zero out, I reach my decimal. So this point will be -2, and then my improper fraction turned into +2. So now that I'm looking at just regular number, I'll start at 0, and I'm gonna walk to -2, so backward to 2, and then it says I'm gonna take the floor up to +2. So in this case, the problem was that my second fraction should be negative. Because it's not negative, it's not represented. So C is the not represented coordinate.